Can you eat sweet potato leaves? Sweet potato leaves benefits. You may know sweet potatoes as those delicious, vitamin-packed veggies that can be used as a substitute for potatoes and other fattening carbs. However, not too many people are aware that sweet potato leaves also carry a lot of health benefits and can be eaten in myriad ways. Yes, every part of this amazing vegetable is not only edible, but healthy too. What is a sweet potato? The sweet potato is a popular starchy, root vegetable packed with fibre, antioxidants, vitamins like vitamin B, C, and A, and minerals like iron, selenium, and calcium. Most commonly confused with the dry yam, the sweet potato has a moist flesh which can vary in color, from white to orange, and even purple. Of all the potato varieties, the sweet potato is the easiest crop to grow. Aside from its year-round availability, it also doesn't need much maintenance and harvest is usually abundant. The vine thrives in tropical weather, needing around 5 to 6 months of warm weather to grow. Can you eat sweet potato leaves? Yes. Sweet potato plants are typically grown for their sweet tubers, but the leaves are great too. These edible leaves, scientifically called Ipomea batatas, contain high dietary fiber and can be absolutely delicious. In some cultures, sweet potato greens can even be applied topically by crushing its leaves and incorporating it into ointments to treat rashes and skin irritations caused by poisonous plants and insect bites. It is also believed that boiling the leaves and drinking the resulting infused tea can aid in reducing appetite and treat metabolic issues. Health benefits of sweet potato greens. Heart health. The presence of vitamin K in the root crop leaves helps in preventing calcification in the arteries of hard deposits, which causes heart attacks. It also aids in reducing inflammation of cells lining the blood vessels. Improved eyesight and healing properties. Vitamin A has multiple health benefits, including vision health enhancement, anti-inflammatory properties, and skin regrowth, to name a few. Vitamin A is also capable of lowering inflammation, reducing the risk of allergic reactions and the chances of neurodegenerative diseases. Lastly, having the right dosage of vitamin A promotes healthier skin due to the production of collagen to counteract fine lines and wrinkles. Bone density. In health benefits times, it is mentioned that aside from a healthy heart, the vitamin K in this leafy green is also able to keep the calcium on bones, reducing the risk of bone loss, osteoporosis, and bone fractures, especially in postmenstrual women. How to cook sweet potato leaves. Raw, sweet potato leaves can either be consumed raw or cooked. Eating the leaves in its purest, raw form can leave a slight bitterness to the palate, while cooking it will release a mild, sweet taste similar to spinach. Whether you decide to add it to a fresh salad or incorporate it into a green smoothie, sweet potato leaves can surely help you add essential nutrients into your diet. Cooked, while cooking greens results in some vitamin loss, heat can actually activate certain nutrients, vitamins, and enzymes.